A question that sometimes confuses students doing chemistry at A level involves standard enthalpies of hydration, solution, and the lattice enthalpy. But what most do not realize is, to get the question right, then attention to the definitions of both enthalpy of hydration and enthalpy of solution is very critical. You see, most students just get by with chemistry calculations, without paying much attention to the context of the calculations. Well, this question is one of those that force the student to pay attention to the context. Ionic compounds are generally soluble in water. Let's consider calcium chloride and how much energy it needs to dissolve from the solid state and the gaseous state. When it dissolves from the solid state, it draws the enthalpy of solution. When it dissolves from the gaseous state, then it draws from the enthalpy of hydration. So it is very important to remember definitions here. The enthalpy of solution is the enthalpy change when 1 mole of a solid dissolves in water, whereas the enthalpy of hydration is the enthalpy change when 1 mole of gaseous ions dissolves in water. These definitions will help you to formulate the relevant energy cycle. All that remains is to use it properly. Over here is a diagram that shows 3 pathways. From the diagram, you can see that all roads lead to the bottom. We can get to the bottom directly from the first equation, or we can go via the solid calcium chloride. So, to find the enthalpy of hydration of the chloride ion, we use the energy cycle. Hence, 2237 equal or 1650 plus 2 plus 83. To complete the arrows in the proper direction, we reverse the solution enthalpy. We say 2x since we have 2 chloride ions. Solving for x gives 335. So, in conclusion, make it a point to master your definitions. And as usual, like, share, and subscribe.